Everything you do is filtered through your nervous system. That means every interaction with a stranger, every conversation with a loved one, and every social media post you encounter has an impact on your nervous system, which is designed to keep you safe and register whether you are in danger. The more we can recognize the state of our nervous systems, the more we can choose responding over reacting, which can stop you from acting like a real jerk and help you be a nicer person. Did you know that two people can go through the same experience and one can end up with full-blown PTSD while the other one ends up essentially unscathed? That's because our nervous systems are a composite of everything that we've gone through in life, and each one is completely unique. It also means that external observers can't decide what other people experience as traumatic or how traumatic that experience is for someone else. Do you remember what I said about each nervous system being unique? Well, context matters, and different people are going to feel safer in different environments. Our social nervous systems are always on guard to see whether the people we're spending time with are safe for us to be around. So the more we can notice who feels good to be around, and the more we can spend time around them, the more relaxed and coherent our nervous systems will be. Have you ever felt out of sorts, upset, angry? That's called dysregulation, and it's contagious. I call it dysregulation contagion. That's the bad news. The good news is that breathing is big. Remember how I talked about the social nervous system earlier? Well, you can leverage the benefits of taking a deep breath, which is helpful no matter what, by doing that with a friend. When we breathe together with other people, that's regulation contagion. Your social nervous system is wired to relax and take it easy with other people. Just remember, breathing is big.